Hello sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today's video is a design team project share for Scrapdiva Design, and I am featuring the Bunny Doily Memorydex die. So let me go ahead and show you what you get in this die. So this is Memorydex, so you get a doily shaped Memorydex die to cut out your card. This is beautiful. I love this. You can use this other than just for Easter. This would make a beautiful Memorydex card. Then you also get another doily that's got the same design as this, and it fits exactly on here in case you want to pop it up or just use this die as your base. Then you have a die that cuts out designer paper to put in the center of the doily. You also get this piece that cuts out the circle. It cuts out the inside and the outside so that you can make a shaker out of this. You get the sentiment that says Happy Easter, and then you get a background shadow for that. You get two sets of ears. So you get the larger one has stitching, and then the smaller one goes on the inside like that so that you can embellish these ears. So if you are making a white bunny, you could cut out white ears, and then you could cut this on some type of pink for the center of the ear, so you have some contrast. And then you get the bunny feet. So these two you can cut on designer paper, and these could be white if you're making a white bunny. They go behind because this cuts out the circles in there so that you have an embellished look. So I'm going to have a affiliate link for this die in the description box below in case you are inspired to purchase it. And the affiliate link does not cost you anything extra, and it helps me and my channel, so I thank you very much for that. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. Before I show you my projects, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So here is the Memorydex card. Isn't that cute? So I did use the rose petal flowers from Scrapdiva Designs to decorate this, and I also used the scalloped heart bow die, and I think this is just adorable, and this would look really cute in your spring and Easter Memorydex card file. And it's just plain on the back for writing, journaling, or for putting pictures. Really super cute. It's easy to put together. I did layer it, so I did use the single die, which is this one here, and I also use the one with the Memorydex bottom, so that this is pretty sturdy. And then I did pop up my feet on some foam and my ears as well, just to give it some dimension, as well as the Happy Easter. I think that turned out so super cute. The next project that I did is I was looking at this and I said, I want to make a box. And I thought about making a box, but I didn't want it to be too small. So I went into my stash and I got a Laughing Cow cheese box and I altered it. So you could see it comes apart like this. I didn't put any paper on the inside yet, but I did cover the edges with some paper and the back as well. And I used the die that comes with this set to do that. And you could see here I have the ears and the bow So I did the bow again on this, and I used the rose petal flowers again, and there's the feet. And this makes a cute little gift to give or put in an Easter basket. This would look really cute in an Easter basket, standing up. With some little, I would put chocolate eggs in here. That would be really sweet with maybe a $10 bill. I always give little things like that to my grandchildren. So yeah, it turned out really cute. I like it. It's going to go in an Easter basket. I might need to make another one for the other granddaughter. So yeah, that's in my future here in the next couple days. So that is my project for today. This is a nice, short, and sweet video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it. If you have any comments and questions, leave them down below this video. And until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And happy crafting. Bye-bye.